friend. Hey, welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. Today, it's time to do a budget with me. Yeah, let's budget. Welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. I don't know what the pause was, but it was what it was. Today we are going to be using the Easy Cash Budget Planner by Salisa on Beautifully Me and You. And let's get to it. So we're gonna open up to April. You might hear some noises in the background. I have given my oldest daughter her very first job with doing all of my TikTok edits. She's not too familiar with Instagram because I only allow her to use TikTok at the moment. But since she has found different ways to use TikTok and she's teaching me, and I'm not too good with any media, so I enlisted her to do it for me. Anywho, so if you hear some noises in the background, that is her getting me together on TikTok. So, yay to her. All right, so as you see, we're in April, and this is what we did last time, that big old massive amount that we had, and now we are back to reality. And we're going to be doing reality in orange, and I don't even know what color this is. Like a purple, I guess. But anywho, let's move y'all in. Boom, you're in. Okay, let's get this going. I did remember to put all of the categories down before I started the video. Yay me. So before we start, Mail Cam. I had these on my last video because I was just trying to get updated. As you see, sis needs a feel, but you can still see it. I love it because look at these little macaroons. I love my little nail tech. And then which one has the face on it? Like, she's freaking amazing, you guys. And then Chanel. So I wonder what she's going to do next time. It is, oh, I just wrote on myself, and I'm going to leave it. I don't know what she's going to do next time, but okay, that's it. Back to business. House. The house bought in $5,467.02, and we always do our extra, which is $200, bringing our grand total to $5,667.02. Right? So we're moving down for this set of bills, which is our second set of bills for April. We have ISPC, insurance, water system, car, Navy Federal loan, Allied as a loan, our phone bill, the water bill, a line of credit that I have. This is another Navy Federal loan. This is Best Buy card. Some passes for our the tolls. Orkin, this go around, we only pay Orkin I think I pay it either every other month or every third month or something. I forget how I pay it. And then of course Kaimana's daycare, which is going to be ending soon because our baby is going to kindergarten in August. That's $310. Well, that's $620 back in our pockets. I know people they can't wait until their kids go get out of diapers. I can't wait till they go to school so that money comes back. And then we have a couple of medical bills that we're going to be paying. So I'm going to do that time warp thing, or that not rewind, that's going back. But fast forward, there we go. I'm going to fast forward, put all of the amounts in here. Then we're going to add up and see how much our total bills are. All right, you guys, our bills came out to $3,770.44. 44 cents or 40 cents. I guess I'm missing something there, but that's okay. We don't really do anything about the cents anyway. We leave it in the bank. All right, so let's take this and we're going to subtract $5,667.02. Subtract $3,770.44, and we are left with $1,896.58. I'm gonna leave that 58 cents right there, and we're gonna move it on down. So groceries, I really don't need too many groceries this go around, so I'm just gonna put that as 200. Majority of that 200 is gonna go towards produce. I cook every other day, so we still got fresh stuff. So I will probably go to the grocery store one day on Friday, and then probably again on a Wednesday or something like that, just to see what I'm gonna cook for the remaining of the week. And let's move on. So wife's gas, she gets the $150. My personal, I get the wife's personal is $100. My gas is $200, and my personal is $100. So all of these, we can do this without the calculator. That is $200, $350, $450, $5, $650, and we have $750. Look at her, she can add. All right, so let's take our calculator back in frame, and we're going to subtract $1,896.58 from $750. See, I keep moving it, right? So subtract $750, and we are left with $1,400. Let me try that again. $1,146. Let's write that right here. $46. Now, here comes the chit chat that I have to talk about. Okay, as you see, our sinking funds is like slim pickings this go around. So your girl had a little epiphany. We had some water damage that happened in one of our rooms, and we had to do an insurance claim. But you know, before everything's going, you have to get everything fixed, and you have to come out of pocket. So you know, with us saving and me starting this journey on YouTube back in December, and like really focusing on the cash envelope system and building savings and building your emergency fund and all of these things, I realized, you know, I need to crack down on some things, and I just, you know, have to see what is best for my budget and what is best for me and my family. I do get comments as far as, you know, oh, you know, that's dumb debt, or, you know, I'm disgusted with all the money, wasted money. I get it. You know, everybody's different. Everybody grew up different. Me, I really didn't learn about finances when I was younger. And, you know, having someone sit down and teach me stocks and credit and all of that good jazz. So I am actually, you know, late to the game, as some may say, or, you know, I'm right on time. I like to think it is right on time because, you know, I have the mentality to do this, but let me stop. I'm just going to continue to ramble on. Anyway, so I condensed some of our sinking funds. As far as the kids and the dog, we're going to pause on stuffing theirs for a good 3 months. By that time, I should have some things back in order. But for right now, these are the ones that we're going to be stuffing. And we're going to slow down on allowance after school has ended. And we're going to allocate that money for anything that the kids want to do. It's great that my daughter is going to start working. She can make her own money. But as far as things around the house that are extra, I don't pay for you to clean up where you live. I pay for extra things, you know, if you're just being extra helpful or anything like that, you know, odds and end jobs. That's what I'm going to call it, odd and end jobs. Anywho, so We're gonna be stuffing this from now into the foreseeable future. HOA, the emergency fund, home improvement, because yeah, with that water damage and plumbers and water restoration and all those people that had to come out. So yeah, we need to beat this up because we're learning a lot about our house. Okay, hair is gonna be, I think I have 2 more to fill in. That's the only reason why hair is there. After those 2 are complete, then this is gonna be gone. Car maintenance, gotta keep up on that. I already explained allowance. Debt snowball, yes, this is gonna be our main focus. Let me, start debt snowball. Christmas, I have to keep Christmas because, I set a budget and sometimes it's a budget and it's there and then it's gone. Buffer, we always keep in our accounts just for any GP things. Like our buffer for these past couple of months went to the out-of-pocket expenses for our water damage. So since it's just a little bit, I can go ahead and do this while you guys are watching me because it's only a little bit. All right, so the HOA is already paid for our first quarter. So we got to start over again, which is $63. Our e-fund this go around, following the the savings challenge that I usually do. I picked the $15 for this one. Home improvement is going to get $50. Hair this go around is going to get $40. Car maintenance is going to get $20. Allowance gets its $40. Debt snowball, we're beefing that up, $160. Christmas is going to get $45, and our buffer is always $300. Now let's add that up. Let's bring reliable back into frame. Now when it's time to stuff these funds, I'll explain how I got these numbers. A lot of the other sinking funds, all I did was put that amount towards the debt snowball or other amounts. So I just combined some of the amounts that I usually stuff, and I'm still stuffing the least or however much amount for our sinking funds. Is just being allotted to these sinking funds for the time being. So with that being said, we will be stuffing in our sinking funds $733, which will leave us with, let's subtract, we were left with 1,146, subtract 733. All right, I'm left with 413. All right, moving on down, or for you guys, moving on up to the east side. My brother gets $17. That's what he sent. I'm still going to stuff the 100 envelope challenge because we are still going to Hawaii, and I need to make sure that money is allocated for that. So with that being said, this go around we're able to stuff $386. I am going to also stuff a couple of new savings challenges. And all this money is either going to go to the 100 envelope challenge or going to the debt snowball. Majority of it is going to go to the debt snowball. Matter of fact, all of it is going to go to the debt snowball. I don't even know why I'm playing myself, but it's all going to the debt snowball. But it's just making it, I guess, more fun to do, to save. However you want to look at it, it's just, my thought process. But anywho, so the baddies challenge is the Love with Baddie. Here it goes. And she has already rolled the dice for this for week 1. So I was too eager to find out what mine was, and plus I had to figure out my budget, but you can't really see it, but it's an 8. So for week 1 I'll be doing an $8. So I'm gonna do $8. And once I was looking at this, I was like, I still have money left over. So what I'm gonna do is, it was only $2 left over. I'm just gonna throw that into the dollar jar, and that's why you have the dollar jar, but you guys also know it as the big ass jar. So with that being said, that should give me a zero-based budget. Let's add these up. 17, am I in frame? Sure isn't. 17 plus 386 plus 8 and plus $2. That is my 413, you guys. So 413, that gives me a zero budget. All right, so checks and balances. Our income came out to $5,667.02. Our cash envelopes came out to $750. Our sinking funds came out to $733. Our savings came out to $113. And our debt repayment, which is our bills, was $3,770.44. So just for GP, let's plug it all into the calculator and we should have a zero balance. 5,667.02 plus 750 plus 733 plus 413. Why am I doing plus? See? 5,667.02 minus 750 minus 733 minus 413 minus $3,770.44. And I don't know if you guys noticed that I always end up with something around $58. Like, it's never less than a 50, never more than like 80. It's that sweet spot. But I still got a zero, so zero it is. All right, you guys, thank you for rocking with me to the end of this video. Thank you for listening to my little spiel about my sinking funds. I know I probably have some questions, I probably have some backlash, but you know, this works for me. I set my priorities the way I set them, and I, you know, support me, love me for what you see and how you see it, and just root me on. So I do appreciate all of the support you guys give and all of the kind words. Even for the ones that aren't so kind, I still appreciate you watching. So with that being said, let's stuff this money. I am super close. Let's back it on up just a little bit. There we go. Up, you can see my daughter and all my stuff, but that's fine. Let me bring you back in. So thank you guys so much. Like I said, if I can do this, you can do it too. Just take the time, write it out. I believe in you. Keep it going, keep it moving, keep it growing. I love you guys. Till next time. Bye.